how to correctly draw and identify support and resistance levels. You want to see on your candlestick chart, I personally use TradingView, multiple touches in the same area. That is 2 to 3 touches at a minimum you want to see in order to correctly identify that as a support or resistance level. With just one touch, it's definitely not a super strong level of support or resistance. It's really just an area the stock either couldn't go below or couldn't get above one time. It's not a definitive level, definitive line to tell you what to do at those areas. When you have multiple resistance touches, that's telling you that there is a roof. There is a roof on that stock, and every time it hits that roof, it comes right back down. That's that simple. Same thing with support. If you have multiple levels of support in the same exact line, same area, it's telling you that that's the floor. And every time, if you jump in real life on a floor, you don't go through it. Hopefully, you come back up. That is the point of support and resistance. Another important thing to learn and understand is market structure. Knowing what an uptrend is, knowing what a sideways trend is, and knowing what a downtrend is. That is very important. An uptrend is when the stock is consistently making higher highs and higher lows. So when the stock, this is the perfect representation of an uptrend. Sideways, just chop around. Same, sideways is sideways. We all know what sideways is. And downtrend, that is when the stock is consistently making lower lows and lower highs. So every time it uses that floor as a ceiling, every single time. And wicks on a chart tell a huge story. That is where price acted in that whatever time frame you're in. If you are on the daily chart, one candle represents a full day's worth of trading and price action. The wick tells you where the price went to, but it didn't close there. So if there's a super long upper wick, that is very bearish because that means the stock went all the way up. Went all the way up to that top upper wick, but then came all the way back down. Sellers pushed it all the way back down and closed lower than what you've seen at the top. Same thing with a bullish candle. If there's a super long lower wick, that is telling you that sellers brought it all the way down here, but buyers leveled it up and pushed it all the way back up. That's super bullish. That shows us buying pressure 1. There it is. Simple trading.